Hello there. Welcome to King's Academy. Have you ever had a similar experience before? Please watch till the end.
This is the brief on surviving your very first flight. Today, we're exploring the first threshold, a novice's guide to the skies. What is the single, tiny, easily ignored piece of paper you get at the airport that could literally save your entire trip? Stick around, because we're unpacking the ultimate step-by-step airport survival guide today. First, check-in. Queue up at your airline screen and trade your ticket and passport for a boarding pass. Think of it as your absolute key to the aircraft, showing your seat, gate, and boarding time. Plus, they take your large bags here. Now, keep watching until the end because missing the final step can leave you totally stranded. And to the doubting Thomas out there who thinks an airport is just a giant waiting room, you're actually legally crossing invisible borders into worlds within worlds. Second, immigration and security. Immigration is where the country says goodbye and stamps your passport. Then comes security. You've got to remove all metal, belts, coins, phones, shoes. If the detector beeps, don't sweat it. It happens to everyone their first time. Finally, the departure lounge and boarding. The tension drops, you can sip some coffee, watch the screens, and when called, follow the path straight onto the plane. So, what's that tiny paper? It's the luggage receipt attached to your boarding pass. It's your only proof ensuring your bag meets you on the other side of the world. Navigating an airport is simply a four-step sequence: check-in, immigration, security, and boarding that quickly turns a novice into just another passenger. Thanks for your time. Please revisit King's Academy for more knowledge. Drop your opinions in the comments section. We read all posted comments and reply as soon as possible. Every great flight doesn't start on the runway. It starts the second you bravely step through those airport doors.